how can you back up your Google Photos locked folder? Now, Google Photos locked folder backup. So to back up your Google Photos locked folder, you must explicitly enable the backup feature within the Google Photos app settings. So this allows you to access your locked items across multiple devices and prevent permanent data loss if your device is lost, damaged, or factory reset. So what you want to do is basically here you want to do is actually open up your Google Photos first thing first. And after you open up your Google Photos, what you want to do is simply click on the profile initials at the top of the page or in the top right corner of the screen, and then you just want to go ahead and look for phone settings. Here it is, and go to backup section. As you click on the backup section, then you want to select backup lock folders. So what here you need to do is just to actually select the backup folder, you just want to go ahead and make sure to toggle the button for backup quality or backup photos or manage storage, and use your device screen lock pin or pattern and face ID when prompted. Then you just need to toggle the backup lock folders option, and as soon as you do this, you'll have successfully locked your backup photos. So this is how you could do it, or this is how you'll be able to backup your Google Photos lock folder. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.